मैं खामोश हो जाऊंगा।
Okay. Right.
Sir, thank you, sir.
6:30 we are completing all the speakers. Minister will reply. Therefore, please
I'll
cooperate
try to
very
put
well.
it in a very concise way. Sir, as Allama Iqbal had said, सबक पर फिर सदाकत का, शुजात का, अदालत का, लिया जाएगा काम तुझसे दुनिया की इमामत का. So education is a cornerstone or a foundation stone on which societies and nations build their future. So as there's a paucity of time, so I'll just finish it at the level of minorities, sir. According to Sachar Committee, sir, the state-wide literacy levels by gender in urban areas, Muslims are 70, scheduled caste are 68. In rural, sir, Muslims are 53, scheduled caste are 49. If you take the same figures in UP, for Muslims it's 55, for scheduled caste is 58. And in West Bengal, for Muslims 66 and scheduled caste 68, sir. The mean years of schooling for children aged 7 and 16 years, Muslims are 3.26, scheduled caste are 3.35. When you come to UP, it is Muslims are 2.60, scheduled caste are 3.09. And if the proportion of children aged between 6 and 14 enrollment by the social religious communities, once again Muslims are very low. And if you juxtapose that, sir, with the number of Muslims completed primary schools, it is only 61.4%, sir, 60.9%. And middle school, 46.5. Metric, 23.9. Sir, and now when you see the 15-point program, I have brought these figures from the internet. Number of schools to be constructed, earmarked were 4,404, achievement is 33,266, 74%. Number of primary schools, the achievement is 64%. Number of additional classrooms is 74%. Number of KGB sanctioned is 168, achievement 133. I would request the Honourable Minister that these targets have to be met. Second issue, sir, is about the Honourable Minister, in this budget, sir, because the dropout rate is very high among the Muslims especially, infrastructure development, only we are giving 1.5 crore, sir. How is that enough, Honourable Minister? I mean, 1.5 crore for 13.5%, no, sorry, nearly 90% of the population. It should have been increased to at least 100 crores. When you come to NCPUL, the language, sir, National Promotion Urdu Language, the language which played a great role, a pivotal role in the independence struggle, what are you giving? 100 crore. You are giving 5.70 crores. I understand that you have formed Manu, but Manu, last government, the Minister of MOS is there. The government had sanctioned for Manu one Unani hospital, a Unani college, and a training center, a civil training center, coaching center with lodging. We don't know what is the fate of it. The last government accepted that in Kendriya Vidyalayas, a new category will be created for economically backward classes and also minorities. The Kendriya Vidyalaya are not accepting this category. You come to Jan Shiksha Sansthan, 88, there are still 88 remaining districts wherein this has to be formed. If you come to JNV, the last government had taken a decision that a section from class 6 to 8, I'm 2 minutes, sir, I'm completing, sir. No one has spoken about minorities, sir, 2 minutes. JNV, sir, that this was introduced section from class 6 to class 8, that decision is still pending. What about diversity index? Where has diversity index gone? What is UGC doing? I mean, this government is in continuous form. And moreover, sir, I'm concluding, sir, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, I would request to the minister, kindly freeze it at 40%. The states are in no position because every year of increasing, where will there are financial constraints the state cannot do, and there is an immediate need sort of convergence. My request and my opinion of suggestion to the Honourable Minister is to ensure that dropout rate and literacy levels of Muslims increase. I would request you that a conditional cash transfer scheme should be started for the Muslim minorities. Aligarh Muslim University, 5 places identified, only 2 have been given. The Fatimi, what is the fate of Fatimi subcommittee, I would like to know. And MOS has called all the meetings last time. It has recommended so many things. We don't know. 100 model schools, what will be the share of, I'm concluding, sir, I'm concluding. What will be the share of the Muslim minorities in that? So these are in a very concise way of put forward my views, sir. I hope the Honourable Minister will respond to it. Thank you.
Sri Antony. Very brief, please. 3 minutes.
Honorable Chairman, thank you for this opportunity. I consider this moment as a great privilege to share a